napapasaya sa akin. So, people don't know that I'm a volleyball varsity player and a scholar sa San Beda University. What else? Two is, I'm a shy person. Sobrang shy ako. And then three, ano na bang hindi na? Marunong ako kumanta. Hi guys, I hope you follow me on Twitter, Win Marquez, that's W-Y-N Marquez. And then, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa fans ko, Win Addicts and Winixters. Thank you very much. I hope you support our show. It's One True Love, June 11 na po siya sa GMA Telebab. I hope you support it.